All right, y'all, Philly D back. We in Philly D's Ls400. Oh, we also in Philly D's garage. So real quick though, I pulled it in and I had a light telling me, I don't know if y'all can see that, hold on. It's saying washer fluid and it's saying tail lamp failure. So one of my bulbs is out in the back. So I just wanted to show y'all, this car is loud, hold on. The light should be on. Show y'all real quick that the bulb is out. All right, so y'all see that? See this light is lit? That light is out. So we gotta change that, y'all. We gotta change that. Turn that joint off. So yeah, like it's kind of cool that a 98, you know, a 98 car, you know, can tell me that my bulb is out. I mean, that's kind of cool, like opposed to, you know what I mean, a cop pulling me over saying, you know what I mean, giving me a ticket, something like that. So it's a good thing that the car is able to tell me that. So now I can take care of business and I'm good while I'm driving. So yeah, so I done already, let's unlock it. I done already took this bulb out. So if y'all got a Lexus Ls400, I just wanted to show y'all real quick how to do it. Let me get a light real quick. Yeah, it's real easy, y'all, but sometimes these bulbs in here get stuck and seized up. So I'm gonna show y'all a little trick on how to get it out. Now the other cool thing, other than the Lexus actually telling me that I had a bulb out, they also give you a little cover right here to get up in there to get the bulb out, which I find kind of cool too, right? So it's up in there, but the funny thing is that you don't even need this, because this piece here, it comes down. There's so much play right there. All I gotta do is lift this down and the bulb is actually right here. All right, that's the socket, so you twist it out. That pops out. Like I said, I already took the bulb out. Oh, there we go. So sometimes these bulbs, when they're sitting in here, they get like seized in there, man. Like, and there's been times when I would grab this bulb to yank it out, and like the bulb would just shatter in my fucking hand, my fingers, and I get all cut up. Like that didn't happen a few times, yo. So what I do is, when I gotta take a socket out or a bulb out and it's seized up, what I would do is I would grab some PB blaster or some type of like WD-40, and I'll just spray it in there. So you'll grab something like this, you know, WD-40, PB blaster, anything that's like, you know, how do you say it? Fuck. Anything that'll get up in there and penetrate this and lube it up a little bit. So I do that for like bulbs. I do that for wires when you're trying to take wire connectors off. I use that same little procedure, man, that same little trick. Spray a little bit. It's not the PB blast or the WD-40. It's not going to mess up your wires. It's not going to mess up nothing electrically. So you ain't got to worry about that. Spray a little bit in there, whether it's a connector like this or a switch or something on your engine, whatever. And 9 times out of 10, that thing will slide right out. You know what I mean? So that's what I just did to get this thing out, because that thing was in there. All right, so let me grab the bulb, y'all. I had to put that shit right there. I got the bulb right here. Hold on, y'all. I'm gonna actually throw this in for y'all real quick, so y'all can see that we fixed it right. Y'all see what I'm watching. Hold on. Get that shit out of here. Some racing shit, yo. That's all we do in this joint. Hold on, who we got? I don't know who that is. I don't know who that is. But we just gonna watch it. Look at them big ass tires, man. Look at them big tires. These dudes ain't playing, yo. They put like 100,000, 200,000 in their cars, man. They not playing. Let's watch them go down the track real quick. Oh, this supposed to be a fucking... Oh, I'm supposed to be putting a bub in the car and shit. Hold on. Damn. Man, that's an SUV too. What's that, a Tahoe? The whole joint lifted up. That's crazy. They like, yeah, we won. All right, y'all. So back to the video. Let me see if I can just slide this in for y'all real quick. I kind of messed up this socket a little bit when I was taking it out. I kind of broke it a little bit. I don't know if y'all can see it right here, like that little, see it? It chipped off right there. Yeah, I was trying to get it out, and I fucked up, and that's when I went to go get my PB blaster. I had to use my own trick to get my own shit out. Usually you would want to start the car, check the lights before you put shit back, but this is so easy. I'm just gonna slide it back in there. Y'all see that? You just twist it back in there. Easy. Real easy. And this flap is not staying in there. I don't know why. What the fuck? Oh, there you go. See that? Lexus, that shit snap in place. That's what you get with a Lexus, alright? Bam, that's it, y'all. I mean, got the lockout kit in there. Y'all see the lockout kit? What kind of kit is that? Air jack. This motherfucker was $160 for this lockout kit. Fuck. Alright. Alright, y'all. We're gonna verify our work. We're gonna make sure we fixed it. Alright. Let's check this one out real quick. Alright, y'all. Hold on. Let's start just drawing up real quick. Make sure she works. It shouldn't say. Cause see, because that bulb was broken, the circuit inside is open now. So the computer, which is connected within the same circuit, this cluster up here, this computer can read, you know, whatever's monitoring that bulb back there, it can see that the bulb had an open circuit, and it sends a signal up here and say, hey, tell the driver his bulb is out. You know what I'm saying? That's basically what it did. So yeah, there we go. I think we fixed it. Check VSC for what? Low washer fluid. Let's make sure the light is good. I don't have no more signal up here. Left front door. All right. Let's make sure. Damn, look at that. Look at that. I call that a fix. That is a fix right there, guys. That is a fix. All right, y'all. Yeah, real quick. But if y'all got a Lexus Ls400, you know what I'm saying, and y'all gotta change that tail light, that's exactly how you do it. Just like that. It's real simple. You know what I mean? She running, she sound good. The lights is good. She gonna get back on the road. You know what I'm saying? We out, y'all. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe. I'll check you on the next one.